imagine the universe. This site is amazing. Acquire quality data, they can use high-end equipment, affordable, premium data, premium location, premium equipment. Hello everyone, this is Mundo Astronômico. My name is Vitor and today we're gonna process the Heart Nebula. But we are going to remove the stars. Remove stars with Photoshop. Let's do it. This is the image without or a little, there's just some image, some stars. The stars are gone. Let's see. This is the first one, and we process this, and we have this process. I will show how to do it. Let's close this and open our RGB on Photoshop. Open with Adobe Photoshop. Let's close. No. Let's open again. Abrir. Open with Photoshop. Let's see. There's a lot of stars here. So we are going to use some actions. Actions. We are going to use Astronomy Tools 1.6. This set of actions are amazing. I really recommend to you these actions. Let's see. Make stars smaller. Make stars smaller and press go. And let's come back and create some files. Background, one, let's create the name, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's do the process with and 0. We forgot to do the 0. 0, 1. 1 we are going to use make star smaller. If you press this, we know all the things in here. So I will teach you in the next videos how to do it. But it's all here. Let's do make star smaller. So guys, if you don't have astronomy tools, buy. This is very cheap and very useful. It's amazing. So let's do make star smaller one time. Okay, one time is ready. So let's do 2 times. Play. Okay, let's do the second time. This is astronomy tools is very useful. I love it. It's worth the price. It's very cheap. 2, okay. Let's do 3. First one, it will process the image 2. I forgot, I'm in the second, right? This is the second time. You are going to do 3 times. Okay, let's see the result. Let's do one more. 3. I think it was 3, but we are going just to use 3. The second one, it will be a action here in astronomy tools. Okay, let's see. It's showing here the stars is very smaller. Some bright stars is very dim here now. Amazing. Let's do some more 2 times. 2 times more. And we are going to use before there another file, another action. There's 2 actions that we are going to use. This one is make star smaller, and the second one is enhance DSO and reduce stars. Let's do again. Ready. So let's see here. Look at the stars. They are gone. Let's try to use one more time. Just one more time. To see the stars will disappear. I will show how you can make actions. So we are going to use every time the same action. We are going to create actions to simplify all the process. And these actions that you can buy, astronomy tools, are amazing. But I have some actions called Mundo Astronômico. This is my actions that I created. So let's see the result. Oh, look that. It's gone, these stars. So we are going to use, let's see, Redux stars. Let's play. It will take a while. It will take a lot of time, actually. This is spend a lot of time. If you don't have a powerful GPU and CPU, you will take a lot more. It will take a while. We are going to see how this here. We are going to process use. This is the result that I got when trying to do a monochromatic image and black and white of the Heart Nebula. The result is not so good, but you can see the shape of the heart. Amazing. Let's close this. This is the hydrogen alpha. This is the O3. And this is the sulfur 2. And this is some processing that I made. I love these details, but I know now that I can improve a lot these results. Let's see. I will wait. And before, and we are going to do now some another redux stars, some make stars smaller. And I will try something. Just waiting till the process to end. As I saw, as told you, it will take a while and it take very time, a lot of time. Oh, amazing! It's gone. These stars. Where are they? They are here. So let's try some redux. Let's see. Make star smaller plus 1 time. It's fast. This one is fast. It will take you 2 loadings, I think. Let's see. It will spend 1. This is the second one. Let's see if it's. Oh, let's see. Oh, it's 2 times. Let's delete the 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's do again. Let's go do again. We want to eliminate these stars. Eliminate. I think I know how to do it. Okay. Let's delete that one here. Let's see the difference. Amazing. So let's create some another. And do select bright stars. It will select all bright stars. We are now going to use spot healing brush. I don't know if this will work. Let's see. To remove all the stars? I don't know. Let's try. I think it's not going to work. But these actions selected all the bright stars. This is amazing. This set of actions are amazing. If you don't have these actions, buy. This is very cheap, very useful, very handy. It's amazing. Okay. Did not work or work? Let me see. Did not work. I think this is not going to happen. It's not here. Let's delete that and create another one. I think this is good. And you tell me, how this gonna be good? This is looking like a painting. We create with a painting. You paint this image. No, to see the details you use. Let's see here some actions of astronomy tools. These actions are very excellent. You're going to use local contrast enhancement. Let's go. Pay attention to the image. Okay, let's do one more time. Just one more time. And the image is ready. Amazing. We can correct these red spots here easily. In the next video, we are going to see a little bit more about processing in Photoshop. Let's see all these things here. All the things. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is Mundo Astronômico. My name is Vitor. Ah, look, I'm creating an astronomy game, a physical card game about astrophotography. If you are interested, put in the description. I'm interested. So guys, thank you. I will make some more videos about the game. The game is amazing, amazing. You are all going to love it. Thank you guys. This is Mundo Astronômico. Valeu. Thank you.